In this video, I'll guide you through how to find your AWS Account ID. Whether you're setting up a new service or you're just curious about your account details, knowing where to find this information is essential. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your AWS Management Console. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the navigation bar. This area is crucial as it holds the key to accessing your account details. You'll notice your account name, or perhaps your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it. It's a drop-down menu, and clicking it will reveal more options. When you click on your account name, a drop-down panel will open up. This panel is where you'll find your AWS Account ID. It's prominently displayed right at the top of this list. Your account ID is a 12-digit number, and it's formatted for easy reading, like 1234-5678-9012. This format helps you quickly identify and recognize it among other numbers or codes. Now, if you need to save or share this number, AWS makes it incredibly convenient. Right next to your account ID, you'll see a small copy icon. Clicking this icon copies the number directly to your clipboard. This feature is handy, especially if you're working on configurations or need to provide your account ID to a support team or colleague. It eliminates the hassle of manually writing down or memorizing the number, ensuring accuracy and saving you time. Remember, keeping your AWS Account ID secure is important, as this number links directly to your account and all its resources. While it's safe to share with trusted partners or within your team, be mindful of where and how it's shared to maintain your account's security. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to easily find and copy your AWS Account ID. This simple process is a fundamental step in managing your AWS resources effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more AWS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing.